One of the neat things we can do with classes is create what's called a constructor. A constructor, when you create an instance of the class, can pre-build the object or the instance to be whatever we want it to be within given parameters. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and set this up that we create a method, or a function I should say, that eventually will return a number multiplied by so much. So I'm going to create a constructor first that receives it. You can make a blank constructor. You can also make a regular constructor. So with here, I'm going to create a private multiplier as integer. So if we create a blank constructor, which is what we did here, because we did not put anything in the parameters, so it's going to be called public sub new with no parameters, and we're just going to say that the multiplier when this happens equals 1. That's what's going to happen there. But let's say we put a number inside of here. So we're going to go public sub new, because we're still referring to the calc class. We're going to say by value x as integer. In this case, we're going to say the multiplier equals x. I got to learn how to spell. There we go. And what this does is now say we're going to take the first plus second, and this private multiplier can go from subfunction to subfunction. We're going to say times multiplier. So in order for this to happen, let's go and let's redefine add machine here. So we're going to go recall our instance add machine as new calc, and then it gives us the options new or new x is integer. I'm going to make it 3. So when we plug in 2 plus 2, we no longer get 4, we get 12. Because it passed down that 3 to our multiplier and allowed us to perform the calculation. It's a different way to look at constructors than the generic string building an animal, but it is an effective way to work with constructors.